What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And you already know we back up in this thing with another video, baby. You know, it's the only way we doing things around here. You know, and as you can see, if you looked at the thumbnail, we're discussing these guys right here. That 2018 Nike Virgil Abloh Off-White blacked out polar opposite Presto V2 drip in this game. But before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, you know what I'm saying, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you show me some love in that comment section, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about these, after the video, you know what I'm saying? And hit that like button, baby. And we gonna keep it rocking just like that. Let's get into it. Boom. Your boy Q the Flu was able to cop these things, last Friday. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to St. Alfred, local Chicago boutique, showing your boy Q the Flu some love. The luck of the draw, baby. You know what I'm saying? Just the luck of the draw. But I'm happy to have these things in the collection. At first, I ain't even gonna lie, like that all white colorway, definitely on my hit list. My boy Nate Triple OG got an early pair of those, man. That video did numbers. I'm gonna put the link, somewhere in the video. Y'all check that out if you haven't already. But after seeing the on feet for those guys, I definitely wanted that white pair. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. After having these guys and seeing these guys on feet and having these guys in person, man, I'm in love with this blacked out, murdered out pair right here, man. Of course, Nike did that shop surprise drop yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I just tweaked out on that. I definitely got the link. But I was kind of like in transit, and I just missed the mark, man. So shout out to everybody that was able to cop these guys off that surprise sneakers drop yesterday. It's dope, man. The shoe dope. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be happy when you get them in the mail. You know what I'm saying? But new week, new Off-White Presto. Them white things are definitely coming out this Friday. Your boy will definitely be trying to get those things. It's gonna be a crazy week, man. I'm in Chicago, so we got Lollapalooza cracking. You know what I'm saying? Travis Scott Thursday. I will be in the building. We will be vlogging that. It's gonna be crazy. Definitely looking forward to copping some of that Astro World merch. And then we got Astro World coming Friday. You know what I'm saying? But that's neither here nor there. You know what I'm saying? Let's get right into it, into the review of the shoe. Gang. So, what I'm saying, on first thought, these guys right here, man, of course, very similar to the first Off-White Presto, except, we got that blacked out, murdered out, you know what I'm saying, outsole blacked out cages, and we got that, of course, Off-White, Nike swoosh right there. Very, very, very dope, but very, very simple too, man. Virgil didn't try, Nike and Virgil, they didn't try to do too much, with these guys. I definitely feel like this is essentially the most wearable pair of the three pairs. You know what I'm saying? You got that inverted Presto material upper, kind of flipped in the inside out. You know what I'm saying? On the toe box and the front of the cage. Of course, you got this sold on shroud, black on black, showed on shroud going across the front of the, what's called, to kind of give you a tongue, which is kind of opposite of that traditional Presto, kind of tongue area, which is like just one like sock booty type thing with that Nike patch on the side, going horizontal. You know what I'm saying? A little different from the OGs. Instead of that blacked out swoosh, Nike and Virgil, they gave us, this kind of off-white swoosh, going around the sides, which is interesting because I definitely saw a few early pairs of these guys, and they definitely, I feel like this swoosh was a little lighter, almost white, man. So, if you got an early pair out there and, your swoosh is, kind of white, I don't know, it might be Fugaga out here. You might need to go get them checked out. You know what I'm saying? These did come with an extra set, unlike the first OGs, with the OGs came with like 4 sets of laces. These did only come with one additional set of laces, which is an orange blaze set of laces. I guess to kind of, you know, play off the orange tag right here, you know, in true off-white fashion. You know what I'm saying? For me, your boy Q the Flu, I'm probably gonna keep these black laces in here. You know what I'm saying? I just think this is a really, really clean look on the Prestos, and I just really like the way it is. But y'all gonna see that on their own feet in a little bit, in a little minute. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, they came back with the 10, you know, off-white tag and the insole there, as you can kind of see. You know what I'm saying? Which I think is dope, because they certainly haven't, like, it hasn't been uniform. They haven't been including that in all of the off-white shoes. I wonder why that is. But, you know, these Prestos, they got the off-white logo in there. So, you know, extra little flex, extra little clout, you know, in insoles, even though ain't nobody gonna see that. You know what I'm saying? The only real true difference, you know, as you could probably see, is, you know, this milky cream little outsole right here, and the cage going around, and of course, you know, that blacked out swoosh, which I mean, I think kind of like just add a little, you know, contrast and a little pop, you know, to the OGs. I think out of the two, my favorite is probably still going to be the OGs. I just feel like, you know, these things just kind of pop, man. Like, you see these things a mile away, plus you see them laces, you know how crazy that's going. These things are just crazy, man. I will say, I'm probably gonna beat these to shit, man. I'm probably gonna wear the crap out of these, probably way more than any of the other pair, and especially if I get that white pair. You know what I'm saying? You know, yeah, these are gonna be the go-to everyday sneakers, man. And my favorite part about these sneakers is that they're so damn comfortable, man. Like, this is probably the most comfortable Nike I've ever worn on my feet, man. It's like hard to not wear these, man. They're so comfortable, yo. So, you know, that's it. You know, for the look, quick review. Of course, standard, you know, Nike off-white box, the same box that you've seen a million times before on everybody that's gotten a pair of off-whites. So no difference there. But that's enough of that. Yo, let's get into this fire on feet.
It's lit. Money, power, respect, eating breakfast on a jet. We got cash to get, carrots hanging from my neck. Money, power, respect, quit the talking, cut the check. Every time they see us flex, they get so upset. Money, power, respect, eating breakfast on a jet. We got cash to get, carrots hanging from my neck. Money, power, respect, quit the talking, cut the check. Every time they see us flex, they be so upset. Don't know on me, I been going all week. Timing on my drugs, nigga, I can't get no sleep. I just want some love, I been going way too deep. Falling on my mom, man can't give me no more wit. Top play, they hate us. Young nigga conversation, big dog conversation, big ice revelation. Rolex rolling on my piece, I been going fine with. Yeah. I just on my beat, I fucked around and smash your knees. Damn, they hate, why they can't relate, yeah. Light-skinned niggas, they just tend to pay, hide away, yeah. I been going way, some for my coats and going away, yeah. Every time, and if every time, they take no play, yeah. Money, power, respect, eating breakfast on a jet. We got cash to get, carrots hanging from my neck. Money, power, respect, quit the talking, cut the check. Every time they see us flex, they get so upset, yeah. Money, power, respect, eating breakfast on a jet. We got cash to get, carrots hanging from my neck. Money, power, respect, quit the talking, cut the check. Every time they see us flex, they be so upset, yeah.
So, yo, that's it. Showed you the off-whites. I hope you enjoyed that on feet. If you're new to the channel, again, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button, man. You're Q the Flu out here, your boy Q the Flu out here, getting that work. And, you know what I'm saying, trying to provide this content for y'all. If you love what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying, join the family, you know what I'm saying, join the gang. We rocking out here, you already know. We just hit that 300 subscriber marks. Thank you to everybody that's been rocking. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have never imagined that, 2 people are subscribed to this channel, let alone 300, man. You know, we small, but we mighty, and we still going up in this thing. We can only go up from here. But it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, man. You already know. We got the Prestos in the building, baby. You already know how we rock. Gang, 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 gang.